The GoGo LX is one of the most advanced four-wheel mobility scooters available today. Not only is it easy to operate, has a great turning radius, and is designed with your comfort in mind, it can be disassembled and transported in any full-size vehicle. Simply turn off the power switch and exit the scooter. Fold the seat down and then merely lift it up and off the scooter. Remove the battery pack and set it aside for transporting. Remove the basket. Loosen the tiller. Lower it down and then tighten into place. Pull up on the frame release lever and lift the front up and away from the back section. That's all there is to it. Your scooter is now ready to be loaded up for your road trip.